The first thing that comes to mind when you hear Nigeria?
Scam, the Yahoo Yahoo.
Oh my god! Ghanaian Jollof versus Nigerian Jollof.
I'll go for Nigeria Jollof.
Oh my god! Anyone should try Ghanaian Jollof because it's the best.
Make I not hear that rubbish from your mouth again. Nonsense.
So, what do Ghanaians really think about Nigeria? Is it all love, a rivalry, or a mix of both? I mean, we need to find out what they really think apart from all the social media banter. Today, I asked a few Ghanaians what they really think about Nigeria, and this is what they had to say. So, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Nigeria or when you hear Nigeria?
Oh, maybe it's their food, how they dress, especially the ladies.
Oh, how they dress.
Yeah, I
Okay.
really like Nigerians.
You really like Nigerians?
Yeah.
Their lifestyle, especially how they live their life. You know,
Jaye.
Let's say music.
Okay.
And also the scam, the Yahoo Yahoo.
Oh my god.
High energy people, very high because when you're in Ghana, you tend to meet quite a number of Nigerians.
Wow. So we are plenty here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And also, I don't know, you guys are really good in the tech industry, so
Oh, nice.
yeah.
I'm feeling myself for that one.
Nigerians are good people.
Good people.
Yeah, when it comes to Nigeria, I like the lifestyle, the way Nigeria ball. Yeah, I like that about
Movies, yeah.
Movies. Okay, you like our movies,
Yeah,
right?
very,
You
very much.
see Nollywood.
Oh, Nigeria is a very beautiful country and I love it. I want to travel to Nigeria one day.
Oh, okay. I like the celebrities, then the people who sing the song. The songs are very nice. So, like the video.
Ghanaian Jollof versus Nigerian Jollof.
Ghanaian Jollof.
Yeah, I'll go for Nigeria Jollof.
Testing.
Because I've been eating that a lot.
Oh,
So
okay.
I prefer Nigeria Jollof.
Okay.
Ghana Jollof is better than Nigeria.
I don't understand.
It's true.
Except the jollof, because Ghana rules.
Do you- Why do you guys keep saying this Ghana Jollof debate? Now remove bias. Remove it. Have you tasted Nigerian Jollof before?
Exactly. I don't need to. I just know that Ghana is good. So all the Ghanaians out there, yeah, Ghana for you. Anyone should try Ghanaian Jollof because it's the best.
Make I not hear that rubbish from your mouth again. Nonsense.
Hey, Ghana Jollof.
Oh,
Don't joke with Ghana Jollof.
excuse me.
Especially my mom.
Nigerian Jollof.
This is so nice. Are you sure your Ghanaian people will not say yeah?
No, Chugo, I
Yeah.
like. Oh, I think Nigerian Jollof is better. I prefer the Nigerian Jollof.
Thank you. Between Ghanaian music and Nigerian music, which do you prefer?
Nigeria. Currently, I think Nigerian because the stats show that Nigerian music is the best.
Nigerians were on top, but yet still they are on top. But because I'm a Ghanaian, I will always choose mine.
I don't. Do you realize that your people are coming to our side
So
now?
they
Do you
come,
know?
but it's just that they are blending.
So, who is your favorite Nigerian celebrity?
Oxley.
Oxley. Okay.
Ruga.
Tiwa Savage.
Tiwa Savage. Okay.
And I also like Chioma.
Chioma,
This one, that was the
musician or actor?
actor.
Chioma Chukwuka.
Yes, please.
Chioma Chukwuka.
Lately, I've been listening to Ira Star, so I suppose. Yeah.
Okay.
If you consider it as one of the celebrities, yeah.
Do you think Nigerians and Ghanaians get along well?
Yeah, I think so because of the movies. You see, some Ghanaians act in the Nigerians, and some Nigerians too also come to Ghana to come and act.
But do you think they get along well on Twitter?
No, that one, yeah, never.
We are always that country that's always fighting each other.
Because of the Ghana Jollof issues, then the hookathon issues. And so,
Uh,
I think so. Yeah.
Very well. So, apart from all those Twitter banter that we are always having,
Nigerians and Ghanaians are like sisters. You know, they are close to each other. No matter everything, we are one. So,
yeah.
There are a lot of Nigerians in Ghana here.
And normally, you see them vibing with them. So that one there.
Yeah, and I have
yes,
a lot of Nigerian
friends
as well.
too.
Oh, nice. So, why is it that there's always that fight on Twitter about between Nigerians and Ghanaians?
That is what they think.
And, yeah,
And
especially about the Nigerians. That's
yeah,
the thing.
but for me, I think Nigerians are cool. My boyfriend is a Nigerian.
Up to now, I'm still trying to figure out why we are like family because there are lots of countries between Ghana and Nigeria. So, yeah, it's a very good relationship. And I hope in the near future it will be better.
Okay, so what do you think that Nigerians can learn from Ghanaians?
Mm, a lot, but
Maybe one or two things.
the way we accept people.
Okay.
Um,
I mean, Nigeria, don't we accept people?
you do, but like you say that you see, like when you come to Ghana, it's like you are free, you can move anywhere you want to go and stuff.
Oh, okay.
But Nigeria, sometimes you do hear that, oh, you can't go to this side, like it's dangerous.
So you're saying everywhere in Ghana is safe?
Majority.
Okay. Okay. All right.
I'll say the peaceful environment.
Okay. Peaceful environment. Yeah. I think we can. I think we can actually learn that.
Like eating our food because most of you guys don't eat our food, like our our culture food,
Native food.
not the rice and things. Like
Wache,
the benku, the
Benku.
fufu.
Fufu. I've been eating a couple of that. And I'm like, okay.
So I want Nigerians to learn those foods.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But you guys like, I think like Banku is like your major, cause like everywhere
Yeah, everywhere you go in Ghana, you must eat
it's
benku.
Banku. Like you
Yes.
see Banku with pepper, Banku with okro.
stew, kokonte, those food.
If you were to go to Nigeria, what place in Nigeria would you like to go?
Catapult. Catapult.
Catapult, I be Port Harcourt.
Catapult.
Port Harcourt, why Port Harcourt?
Oh, that place is nice. I've been seeing videos around that area. Yeah.
Okay.